morning, students. In our last class, we learned about the definition of matter and characteristics of matter. Now today, we will study about the classification of matter. Students, a matter on the basis of its physical property classified in 5 different groups. On basis of physical property, normally a matter exists in 3 states, and that is solid, liquid and gas. These 3 states of matter is normal existence. Normal existence. In addition to these 3 normal existence of matter, there are also 2 other states of matter known as plasma state of matter and Bose-Einstein condensate state of matter. Students, these 2 classification of matters are conditional, means they exist on certain conditions when we provide them. Normally a matter exists in 3 states: solid, liquid and gas. In addition to solid, liquid and gas, there are other 2 states of matter, and this is plasma and Bose-Einstein condensate state of matter. So students, today our focus will be on the conditional states of matter, which is plasma and Bose-Einstein condensate states of matter. So now we will learn what is plasma state of matter, or how can plasma be set up. So students, first of all, on conditional states of matter, I will talk to you, and this is plasma state of matter. Student, this state of matter is regarded as 4th state of matter. So this is 4th state of matter. Also, this state of matter is regarded as super excited state of matter. Super excited state of matter. Also, this state of matter is regarded as highly ionized gaseous state of matter. Also, this is regarded as glowing state of matter. Glowing state of matter. So these are some characteristics, feature of plasma state of matter. So once again, plasma state of matter is regarded as the 4th state of matter. It is also regarded as super excited state of matter. Also, it is regarded as highly ionized gaseous state of matter, and at last, it is also considered as glowing state of matter. Now, students, I am going to tell you how plasma state of matter is achieved. Students, naturally, this state of matter exists in stars. From lower classes, you are knowing that stars are made up of gaseous atoms. And at high temperature, those gaseous atoms of a star breaks up into charged particle, and that charged particle is of electron and a positively charged particles. Electron is a negatively charged particle, and one another charged particle we get there, and that is positively charged particle. So you can also say that plasma state of matter is the mixture of free electrons and ions. These free electrons and ions comes in plasma when their gaseous particles at high temperature break up. When they break up, they produce negatively charged electrons and positively charged another particle. So plasma state of matter is also, you can say, is the mixture of free electrons and ions. So students, naturally this state of matter exists in our stars. But on the surface of Earth, we can also achieve this state of matter. How? So students, this state of matter can be achieved on Earth by passing high volt electricity through the low pressure. Okay, students, so I told you that naturally plasma state of matter exists in our stars, but on the surface of Earth we can also achieve it. How? So by passing high volt electricity through a low pressure gas. Students, earlier I told you that plasma state of matter is also glowing state of matter. Students, keep in mind, when a matter comes in this state, it starts emitting light. You can experience plasma states of matter in your fluorescent tube, in your vapor lamps, in your neon sign bulbs. All those work on the principle of plasma state of matter. So this is the plasma state of matter, and this is conditional. Why conditional? Because this state of matter exists at high temperature or high volt electricity, and that is why this is said to be conditional state of matter. Now another one is Bose-Einstein condensate state of matter. This is regarded as fifth state of matter. Student, this state of matter was predicted first by two scientists. So this was predicted by two scientists named S.N. Bose and Albert Einstein. Student, this state of matter is achieved by cooling low density gas at extremely low temperature. So students, big state of matter can be achieved by cooling a low density gas at extremely low temperature. Nowadays, so far, the use of this state has not been possible. So students, for today, that's all. Keep in mind, be safe, be sure. Thank you.